the baby cuddling?
Yeah.
There goes the other one already. They know. It's like they have a sense. They have a sense. Look.
But look at this one over there, and this other one's not even moving.
No.
Yeah, look at there he goes. Look.
Oh, he knows.
That one looks. That one looks like he already got bitten. The one that's struggling. Look at him. His hair's all messed up. What the fuck was that? Did you hear that?
Oh my gosh, Albert. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yeah, he's gonna fall. He's gonna fall. Oh no, he's in the nest. And they know, look, they just post up.
Yeah.
What?
Look. I see a little snake down there.
Look at this, I know.
I know as soon as I start recording, he's gonna fall. And